A Land of Calm Abiding has a vision to change this piece of land into a vigorous, productive, ecological garden using permaculture and traditional organic design to look something like this, or this, or this.
Our three main objectives are to grow plants that produce fruits and vegetables, medicines, and herbs for the local community, to grow plants that provide nectar for beneficial insects to local agriculture and local flora, and to be able to educate and share our knowledge with folks that are also interested in establishing and working towards a more ecological and sustainable way of living. Now, pollinators are so important to humanity. However, the recent decline in pollinator population is of great concern to farmers and horticulturalists. Without insects to pollinate, many flowering plants wouldn't be fertilized, and humans would lose foods and other plant products. California supplies produce to much of the United States and a lot of other countries, and without pollinators, we'll lose a lot of foods and other beneficial plants, not to mention the dwindling of a tremendous economic resource. Land of Calm Abiding envisions a refuge for beneficial pollinators, a safe place they can call home. Once well established on the land here, the pollinators can disperse and reproduce to support a healthy agricultural system in the surrounding communities. Implementing a permaculture garden and organic farming on the land here, our vision is to produce a garden that gives back to both the local human and non-human community. Land of Calm Abiding is a Buddhist hermitage and wildlife sanctuary located within a designated wilderness area of a national forest on the California coast. The isolation and health of this natural environment benefits all the inhabitants, including the meditators. The sun provides our power, and fresh springs give us our water. We intend to create an ecological garden that balances the needs of the natural environment with the needs of the community. We are dedicated to minimizing our impact on the planet, and by feeding the community with food grown on the land, we reduce our need to drive the 5-hour round-trip journey to town, thus reducing our consumption of fossil fuels.
A Land of Calm Abiding aspires to follow the ancient tradition of taking care of devoted monks and nuns who dedicate their lives to benefiting others. Therefore, by contributing to this garden, you'll be supporting individuals who are committed to developing their qualities in order to make a positive change in the world. Your support will also help us to design a garden that models sustainability, preserving, protecting, and enhancing healthy ecosystems. The more people that aspire to contribute to healthy gardens and ecological conservation worldwide, the better off our natural and agricultural landscapes would be, and that will benefit everyone. We need your help to kickstart our garden project. Join us by volunteering from afar. Make a pledge and help us to buy all the materials we need for raised beds, structures, buying plants, seeds, installing irrigation systems. Your pledge will also help to support at least one intern to help us through the summer. Once underway, we'll establish an ongoing fundraising program to sustain and expand the project. Our goal of Land of Calm Abiding is to function entirely due to the kindness of others. Your generosity now is so critical to get us through our startup time. If you pledge, we'll invite you to our first annual harvest picnic after our first successful harvest season, where we intend to feed you with food entirely grown in the garden. If you can't make it, we'll mail to you an assortment of delicious goodies grown in the garden and dehydrated in the sun ovens that you helped to purchase. Your donation will be supporting a tangible and positive change in the world, a small movement towards a more sustainable, interdependent, and harmonious way of living as responsible stewards on the planet. So if you feel inspired, please donate and pass this video on to others who you think would like to be connected to what we're doing. Please also visit our website to learn more about A Land of Calm Abiding and how this project will be of tremendous benefit to so many individuals. Thank you so much for considering us and taking the time to watch this video. May you be happy. May you be cared for. May you be well.